In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your driver's side wiper blade. To replace the wiper blade, the first thing you want to do is carefully grab underneath the arm. We're going to lift this up, but keep in mind, it's under spring tension. It wants to go back towards the windshield. You want to make sure it doesn't drop against the windshield and potentially break the glass. Now the next thing I want to do is open it up like this. Once I've done that, I'll make my way under this area with my index finger. You're going to find a little squeeze tab. Squeeze that up against the wiper arm, and then you should be able to grab the blade and carefully pull it down and away. Be extremely careful, once again, not to let anything go and potentially hit the windshield. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, now it's time to install our brand new wiper blade. We want to pay attention to this adapter right here. That's the area that the hook of the wiper arm needs to set into. We'll carefully lift up on that arm. Put the adapter over the arm, and then press it towards the passenger side to lock it in. Once you have that pressed in, give it a tug towards the driver's side. Essentially, I'm making sure that it's completely secured. The next thing you can do is carefully rest it against your windshield. After that, go ahead and test it. Make sure it functions properly. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.